Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a post on Facebook. This process should be pretty straightforward, so let's get started. Whether you're on your news feed or your profile page, the process is the same. If you're on your profile, click on your account icon at the top right and select Profile to open it. Once you're there, you'll see the What's on Your Mind field. Click inside it and type your message. You can also add media to your post by selecting the photo video icon to upload a picture or drag and drop files from your computer. You can also click to navigate to a file on your computer. If you want to tag people, click on the Tag People button, search your friend list, or find people on Facebook. Privacy settings may affect this. To add an emoji, click the emoji icon and select how you're feeling. You can also search for specific emotions like feeling happy. Additionally, you can add a GIF by selecting the GIF icon. If you click on the More button, you can also add a live video or event, depending on the post type and settings. Lastly, adjust the audience visibility for your post. If you hover over Friends, you can select a drop-down to set who can see your post. You can choose Public, Only Friends, Exclude Specific Friends, or even set it to Only Me. After selecting your visibility, click Done. Once everything is filled in and set, click Post and you're all done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. I look forward to catching you in the next tutorial.